INEC for Edo don begin the distribution of sensitive materials for the election wey go hold on Saturday, April 15th, 2023. Una go remember say for the election wey dem do for February 15th and March 18th, wey INEC cancel for some local government for Edo sake of say katakata come dey for the voting process, na im make INEC come fix April 15th, 2023 say dem go do supplementary election. For Edo State INEC headquarters, the REC Oga Obo Efanga come talk to the local government party representatives.
We thought we weren't expecting to come back to the election now if everything had gone the way we expected it to, but it did not go, unfortunately. So we have 4 supplementary elections to conduct in Edo State. One is the House of Reps seat for Orion Umude Federal Constituency. There were some polling units there that we couldn't conduct election. So we are going to conduct election there. Now, just to explain, because a lot of times people mix up the different kinds of election. This is a supplementary election. A supplementary election is an election held to complete an election that has already started. We had the main election, we didn't complete because we couldn't go to certain places, or there was conflict in some places that affected the voting and the results there. Such that the results we have so far, we cannot on the basis of that make a declaration as to who the winner is, because the margin of lead is smaller than the number of potential voters in the places we didn't go to. So that's why we are going to, in Orion or Umude Federal Constituency, there are some polling units will go to there in those 2 local government areas to add to the results we already have and know who the winner is. In 3 state constituencies, Oredo East, Obia Southwest, and Ego local government, Ego state constituencies, we also had situations where we couldn't conclude election in some polling units, and the total number of available votes there is higher than the margin of lead. That's why we are going to the polling units in those places. So there are very few places you can see. That's for Obia Southwest, that's already East. Where's it go? Ego is there. And then we hope that like yesterday I had a meeting with the political parties and we advised that everybody should do the right thing. The cost of conducting this supplementary election is much. It's something we didn't envisage, and so the commission has had to bring out money again to do this. Nobody would like to do this again after this. So please, let's ensure that we do the right thing and we conclude this on Saturday. There are a few places, so by the end of Saturday, we should all the results should come in and we should be able to make a declaration so that everybody knows that this election season is over and everybody goes on doing other things. We have a lot of other things we have to do, even as INEC outside the election. So we want to do that. So I hope that you all will cooperate, especially the party, the members of the political parties. Yesterday when we had the meeting, one of the politicians assured me that they politicians, that their DNA is that of peace, that they are not violent, and I said I would need to verify that. And this Saturday is an opportunity to verify that. Because like I told him that those people who disrupt elections, they are not ghosts, they are Nigerians, they are from our communities. Somebody tells them to come and do that. Somebody will not just on his own pick up a weapon and go to disrupt election without being procured or talked to by the politicians. So politicians have to come into these ways. Like I told them yesterday too, the election is still open. That's why we have to have the supplementary election. So you have to target voters in the places where we're going to conduct elections to come and vote for you so that you can win. So whether somebody's first, second, third, or whatever position can still win on the basis of what votes they scored in this supplementary election. So I wish us all the best, and also to thank the media, the usual cooperation with us, and of course the security operatives. So
after the collection of sensitive materials, the party rep come talk to TMC TV Tori people.
My name is Right Honorable Douglas Eki Idaho. Na INEC office we dey here now for Ikpoba Hill. Tomorrow, na INEC go do rerun election for Umude Orion Federal Constituency. So we are here now at INEC office, make we monitor the material where they want carry go to conduct the election for tomorrow. Me, where they talk to now, so I be a rack and a collation agent for PDP in Umude local government area. We are prepared. We have done the necessary thing by way of campaign. We don't campaign. We don't tell our people, make them come out for the election. The materials, as INEC bring them, they are correct and complete. So we will just monitor it to the INEC office in our local government area at Eho. From Eho, tomorrow they will carry it to the units.
My name is Honorable Larry Nobahai. I'm from Orion. We can collect material when they want to do supplementary election for Orion and we want the federal constituency. That's the House of Rep. Now we can collect for here today. Presenting the APC Orion. Well, we're expecting good turnout. This one is a supplementary election. We have done our whole work. We have mobilized our people. We are expecting they will come out and vote accordingly. I'm surprised as early as this time they don't begin give material because we never expected they will give us this time. But the team was very, very smooth. The resident electoral commissioner even came out to address us. We were asking questions, he answered that. So we are satisfied with what they are doing here.
My name is Comrade Kelly Amadi. I represent the Labour Party for Ego. My expectation is make INEC do the needful. May they elect Nigeria, believe in them. May they let Nigeria, when Nigeria is asleep for us, or yes, they'll know when INEC they conduct the election, they'll say yes, they believe on themselves or do the right thing. Doing the right thing, not it cost anybody anything. Because in country all day so, and the right thing I want everybody to do. I make us stay here this morning. We can see whether their brain come, and I be waiting we'll still see for that side. Now it correct. At this moment we do so. Waiting we'll see for people, waiting they sign for it correct for now. But we never know that will change because the trust now the one may they build, may I build more for may we Nigerians forget our mind say they're there for us.
Make una no forget say the areas where election go hold tomorrow April 15th 2023 na Oredo East, Ego and Ovia Southwest for State House of Assembly, while House of Rep go hold for Orion Umude Federal Constituency. From Benin City, Omo Ikariri, TMC TV News.